He does. He wants to talk to her. Honey, stand still so he can see you. Go see the baby. Go see the baby, puppy. Go see the baby.
No. No. Not here. There.
Hey, be nice.
No, nice.
Yes, nice.
No, nice. Yeah.
That's right. You show that laundry.
Go give your brother some love. Give him some love. He's sitting in your chair. Go give him some love. Give him some kisses. He likes that chair. Your brother loves the chair. Look at him. He's watching TV. He likes that chair. Hey, just go hand him the remote now. He'll be all set. Come on. Give your brother a remote. Go give him the remote.
Give him big kisses.
Where? Mo?
Over there.
Mo, go. Mo. Mo.
Give it to the baby.
Give baby.